Today we are going to start with our EVS 1 subject. As we came from standard 4 to standard 5, okay, you all are aware of EVS 1 subject. Everyone know that we was having a EVS 1 and EVS 2 also, but EVS 1 and EVS 2 was different, like a science. EVS 1 was having a science and EVS 2 was history, okay. But now you are going to know the new subject, that is geography. In EVS 1, you're having a two of the subject, that is geography and science. In EVS 1, two are subjects are there, including in one textbook, that is of geography, and one is of science. Okay. In EVS 1 book, they have taken many different chapters of geography. So some are of science also. Okay. So today we are going to see the geography subject. Today we are going to introduce your new subject, that is a geography subject. Okay, before that I want to ask you some small question, then I will show you my PPT and all that. Now let me ask you some simple questions. On which planet do we survive? Or else on which planet do we live? 1 second. Manasvi, I have unmuted you. Not Manasvi, yes.
Yes, good morning, teacher.
Very good. Okay. On which do we survive? On which planet do we live? Can you tell the answer, Mansi? Tell the answer, Mansi.
Teacher, what?
On which planet do we survive?
Teacher, voice is breaking.
Okay, I will ask to other one. Then you can mute yourself. Okay, then Samruddhi. Samruddhi, are you there, beta? Samruddhi, Sachin. Okay, I have unmuted you. Come on, tell me the answer.
What?
On which planet do we live?
Earth.
Earth. Very good child. You can mute yourself. And rest of the children are giving me answer in the chat box. Very good children. You know that we live on the Earth. That is a planet called the Earth. So today we are going to see about the planet also. My next question for you. What do you see in the sky at night? What do you see in the sky at night? Okay, Chaturthi, I want the answer from you. Avnish, please don't give me camera control option. Nobody. Okay, I'm asking you, what do you see in the sky at night?
We see stars at the night.
Very good, very nice. Two thumb for you. Very nice, very nice. Nice. You can mute yourself, Samrud. Okay, you can mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, what do we see? Night. Okay, you see in the night. Now tell me, children, from where do we get the light? Okay, I will ask this to Aditya Wadkar. Aditya Wadkar, please give me the answer.
From sun.
From where? From the sun. Very nice. Very good light from the sun. Means each and every planet also gets a light from the sun. सबको light कहाँ से मिलती है? This is there in our chapter, children. ये आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं about the planet, about the stars, about the sun. Detailing about the sun. We are going to see in this chapter today. So now our first topic that we are going to see is our Earth and our solar system. Okay, children? So let us start. Give me 1 second. I will show you my PPT. If my voice is breaking, children, please go in the more option. And this is the earth that we live, we survive on the earth, and the sun that gives us a light, and the stars twinkling in the night. Okay, stars are night. Okay, the next is our chapter. I told you our earth and our solar system. We are going to learn today about the earth, that is our earth that we survive, and a solar system. Can anybody tell me, somebody knows what is a solar system? How many solar systems are there? Anybody can tell me, but I will ask Sarvesh Bhoi. Please, can you tell me about our solar system? Do you know what is the solar system, Sarvesh Bhuin? Okay, Sarvesh does not know the answer. I think so. Okay, no problem. Sarvesh, you know the answer, beta?
Yes.
Yes, you know the answer. Come on, tell me what is solar system? क्या होता है solar system? Mayank, Agnes telling 10. बोलो बेटा सर्वेश. Okay, then comes Tanisha. Can you say me the answer? What is solar system?
Yes, teacher.
Sure, beta. Come on, tell me what is solar system?
In solar system, there are sun, planets, asteroids, and orbits, heavenly bodies. They are called solar system.
Very good, child. You can mute yourself. Very good. Two term for you again. Very nice. Okay. Now we will see our first planet. Okay, about the first planet. Before that, I have to tell you something about the night in the sky. What do you see in the night in the sky? That is the stars that is twinkling in the sky. Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star. You know the poem. Everyone knows the poem. There are many stars in the sky, but they are very far away from the earth. स्टार्स हम लोग को दिखते हैं पर कहाँ पर है बहुत दूर 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 है अपने से स्टार्स आर सो बिग बट दे लुक टाइनी ओके वो कैसे है टाइनी है ओके prominent stars are dark and large in size. Prominent means obvious, means we can see it. Write the meaning, children. Take a notebook and pencil with you and write the meaning of prominent now itself. I want each and everyone child should write the meaning now itself. Prominent means obvious. You know the spelling of obvious? O-B-V-I-O-U-S. Obvious. Come on, write it fast now itself. Prominent. I'm going to see after my lecture is finished. Each and every child should show me up and going to show me this. Okay, good. Prominent is obvious. Means we can see it. We can see it. Okay. While some stars are tiny and faint. Some stars are tiny means very small. Faint means thoda sa dhundla sa. Okay. Some are tiny and small that we cannot see with our naked eyes. हमारे eyes से हम लोग नहीं देख सकते. So what we are using? A microscope. We are using a microscope. Okay, children. Prominent means obvious. Okay. Prominent means obvious. Now next we will see the sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shape. Okay, children? Now tell me, on the sun surface there are a dark patch. Can you see this dark patch over there? One second. Can you see this dark patch on the sun? This is moon. Okay, this is moon, this is sun. There is dark patch over there, known as a sunspot. This are patch of gas that looks dark since they are cooler than their surrounding. They are cooler than their surrounding. Okay, children? Now, we will see about the stars. We will see about the stars. What is stars? Can you tell me, children, about something about the stars? Anybody knows about the stars? Planets are also stars. Okay, wait. Swara, do you know what is stars? Stars क्या होता है? Yes, Swara. Do you know what is about the stars? Come on, tell me about the stars. Little bit about the star.
Stars twinkle at the night.
Okay, and
Stars have our own. Stars have their own light.
okay, very good. Very good, child. Okay, somebody has told me that stars have.
Stars are very brightlet light,
Okay, very good.
and they twinkle at the night.
Star is a cloud that bright in universe. Some Adarsh Yadav said me this. The sun is the biggest star. Very good, Kapil. Okay, some of the prominent voice, some are tiny. Very good, Vidisha. Means everyone knows what. Please mute yourself, child. The heavenly body that twinkle are called stars. The heavenly body that twinkles are called stars. Stars have their own light, as told by the child. Now we will see about the sun. Now I want to tell you about the sun. It's in detail. Sun, its planet, and all the objects moving around them collect are called a solar system. Okay, sun of the solar system, star of the solar system. It is the heaviest among all solar systems. Sun, again I am repeating, children, is the heaviest among about the solar system. Heaviest about. Okay, sun. It's a ball of a hot burning gas. It is a ball of a hot burning gases. It is the nearest star to the earth. Nearest star किसके नजदीक है? Nearest star to the earth. The light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. कितना मिनट लगता है? Approximately 8 minutes. 8 मिनट लगता है अर्थ को टच करने के लिए. कहाँ का? सन का लाइट. Okay? This is about the sun. Now we will see about the stars only. Other stars. Hence it appears big and brilliant. Brilliant means brighter. It is bright light during the day. We cannot see other stars also. Stars are present in the sky. Stars are present. Okay, Adarsh, very good. 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Adarsh has given me the answer. Exactly. Okay. 8 minutes and 16 seconds. We cannot see other stars. Stars are present in the sky, but we cannot see them. Can you tell me why don't we see the stars? Come on, anybody tell me the answer. During the daytime, why don't we see the stars? Daksh, I unmuted you. Daksh, okay. Adarsh Yadav. Why don't we see the stars in the daytime? Adarsh Yadav, bolo answer.
What, teacher?
During the daytime, why don't we see the stars? मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे हम लोग स्टार्स को क्यों नहीं देखते? कोई बता सकते हैं?
But the stars are not blinking in daytime.
Yes. Mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself. Okay, Shreyans. I have unmuted you. I want the answer from you.
Because of sunlight.
Very good. Because of the bright sunlight, we cannot see the stars in the morning itself. Okay, but they are present there in the sky itself. वो किधर नहीं जाती, वो अपने जगह पे रहती है. Stars are there in the sky, but due to the sunlight, we cannot see them. Okay, because of the sunlight, bright sunlight, we cannot see them. Okay, due to bright light of the sun. Now we will see about the planet. Now we will see about the planets. These are the heavenly bodies. The stars, the sun, the moon, the planet, etc. are all known as the heavenly bodies. Now we will see about the planet. About the planet. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. Planet को खुद की light तो रहती नहीं है. So they receive the light from where, children? Can you give me the answer in the box? Planet receive the light from where? From the sun. Star, because the sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. Very good, children. You know the answer. Very nice. Okay. They receive the light from the sun. Planets revolved around the stars even as they rotate around themselves. Now, I want to tell you something about the revolutions and rotation. Now, what is meaning of revolve? What is meaning of revolve? It goes around the sun. It goes around the sun. Revolution means what, children? 1 second. It goes around the sun. घूमते रहता है, okay? It goes around the sun. And rotation, it goes around its own axis. अपने खुद के आजू बाजू में घूमना है. अराउंड इट्स, खुद के आजू बाजू में ऐसे ऐसे गोल 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 घूमना. और रोटेशन क्या, रिवॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? पूरा घूमना. ओके, पूरा घूमना. This is revolution and this is what we call a rotation. Now we will see about the planet. This was about the planet. Now we will see about the solar system. About the solar system. I told you about the sun. Now we will see about the solar system. Our Earth is a planet on which we live. It gets light from the sun. It gets light from the sun. Okay? It moves around the sun. It moves around the sun. All the planet moves around the sun. All the planet moves around the sun. Okay? Sun के आजू बाजू में वो घूमते रहते. Sun is in the middle. Can you see this? Sun is the middle. Okay, sun is in the middle. Here sun is there, and all the planets are moving around the sun. The movement around the sun is called revolution. What is called this? Revolution. What we call this? Revolution. ये जो घूमना होता है यहाँ से वहाँ से पूरा, it's called a revolution of the earth. What is called that? Revolution of the earth. Okay. Beside Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. कितने planets हैं? Somebody has given me the answer 10. It's not the 10, child. It's the 8th planet only. It's the 8th planet only. I will tell you how to remember the names. Easy method. Okay, how to remember the name of this. Now, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. How many are there? Count it again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. These are the 9 planets. Okay. But beside this, Pluto is a draw of planet that I will tell you afterwards one by one. Okay. So वो पूरा mix हो जाएगा. Now how are you going to remember this? In a simple, sober way. Easy method. Okay, see, my very educated mother, okay, just shown us 9 planet. Now, this you are going to remember. अगर कोई भूल जाता है, okay, तो कैसे remember करना है इसको? My very educated mother just shown us a 9 planet. My means a Mercury. Very means a Venus. Educated Earth. Mother means a Mars. Just means a Jupiter. Shown means a Saturn. Then Earth is a Uranus, is a Neptune, and planet means a Pluto. Okay, this is the simple method you are going to remember. My very educated just shown us a 9 planet. Just shown us a 9 planet. I am going to ask this. Children, I am going to ask this. Just remember again, I am repeating for you. Okay, my very educated mother just shown us a 9 planet. Just shown us a 9 planet. Okay, now every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along the specific path. Now, what is this path called? Can you see these lines, children? Okay. Can you see these lines? See these lines? This is called an orbit. What we call this? Orbit. What we call this? Orbit. What we call this? Again, I am telling. This path is called an orbit. This path is called an orbit. Okay, this path is called an orbit. This all are called an solar system. Somebody has given me the answer that asteroids and orbits and all that. This is all planets and suns and all that. This is called a solar system, known as the solar system. Beside the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Now we will see that other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Okay, satellite. Now some heavenly bodies some heavenly bodies revolves around the planet. Okay, some heavenly bodies that revolves around the planet, these are called the satellite. Satellite gets light from the sun. Satellite gets light from the sun. We see the moon at night, it revolves around the earth. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called the satellite of the earth. Now, I told you first only, I am going to tell you afterwards about the Pluto. Pluto is a draw of planet that is not counted in the 8 planets. वो अलग किस्म का अपना खुद का लाइट है, उसके पास खुद की ऑर्बिट है, उसके पास खुद के पास सब, उसके पास खुद है. So the astronauts say they are not counting that planet in the 8 planets. उसको अलग ही रखा गया है. So it is called the draw of planet. Draw of planet. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun. They are called draw of planet. Of this, we all know it's a Pluto. Which are they? Yes, draw of planet, it's a Pluto. Draw of planet revolves independently. खुद का घर उसका है. It revolves independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. उसकी जगह भी खुद की है, उसके पार्ट भी उसका खुद का है. इसका प्लूटो का. So it is called a draw of planet. So we call that a draw of planet. Okay. Please, children, don't chat. Right? When I will ask you, that time only I want the answers. Kapil Tiwari, please don't chat. Okay, nobody is going to chat. Now we will see about the asteroid. Okay, I told you about the draw of planet also, satellite also. Now we will see about the asteroid. Okay, between the planet Mars and Jupiter, there is a band. Can you see this band over there? Of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called the asteroid. Okay, like a Mars and Jupiter. Between the planet Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. It is asteroid. They also revolves around the sun. वो भी सब sun के आजू बाजू ही घूमते, because sun is middle of the all the planets. Okay, इसलिए सब लोग कहाँ पे घूमते आजू बाजू में? sun के आजू बाजू में घूमते रहते. They also revolves around the sun. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. Okay, now we will see about the space launch technology or about the gravitational force. Can anybody tell me what is gravity? Anybody knows what is gravity? Let me ask. Amok Gaikwad, can you tell me what is gravity, beta? What is gravity? आपको gravity के बारे में पता है क्या होता है gravity? No, Adarsh, it's not air. Yeah, it's air, but what is gravity? Exactly, I want the... Don't know, okay, you can mute yourself. Who knows the answer, please? Who know the answer? About the gravity, 1 second. Arnab Vishwakarma, do you know the answer? Arnab Vishwakarma? Please tell me if you know the answer. What is gravity? आप लोग ने gravity के बारे में सुना तो होगा ना? Did you heard about the gravity? Swara, okay. Do you know about the gravity? Nobody knows the gravity. जो ऊपर जाता है वो नीचे आता है. Why? Due to the gravitational force. Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Gravity means
हाँ से ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, जैसे ही हम लोग बॉल ऊपर फेंकते, बॉल नीचे क्यों आता है, ऊपर के ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. All heavenly bodies extract the force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called a gravity, force of gravity. The sun extract means apply. What is the meaning of extract? Apply. Write the meaning extract. E-X-E-R-T-S. Meaning is apply or bring to force. Yes, like a magnet. It's come directly down towards the earth. Forcefully comes directly down towards the earth. Write the meaning, children. Extract. E-X-E-R-T-S, extract, meaning is apply, or bring to force, meaning is apply, bring to force. Wrote everyone? Where has a tendency planet is to move around from the sun. As a result of this force, the planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. Now we will see about the asteroid. Okay, about the asteroid I told you, space launch technology, to send some object from the earth into the space, like on the Mars. The astronauts are going there from the earth to the planets. Okay, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Space launch technology. Okay, scientists, yeah, I mean, so many scientists are going on the Mars, on the moon, and all that. Who was the first person? Can you anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? Scientists gone there. ऊपर कौन गया था? First person, Rakesh Sharma has gone there. Neil Armstrong. Okay, very good, very nice. Students are studying at home, I think so. Rakesh Sharma. Okay, Arohi. It must be given power against the force of gravity, like a rocket technology. What they are using? A rocket technology. What they are using? Rocket technology, or a space launch technology is used for that purpose. In some mission, scientists also travel in spacecraft. They are called astronauts. What we are calling them? Astronauts. What we are calling them? Astronauts, children. Okay. And Rakesh Sharma was the person who has gone to the spacecraft. Okay. Now I will ask you some question. Can you tell me this answer? I'm going to unmute someone. Pradumna.
Teacher,
Read first one, fill in the blanks, beta.
the sun is a dash.
Yes, answer.
The sun is a star.
Very good, very nice. Okay.
The heavenly bodies that revolve around planets are called.
Bus, enough. Only one for one child. Okay. Then comes Adarsh. No, Adarsh is over. Then Tanisha, Tansabnik, Tanisha. Come on, give me the answer of the second one, Tanisha. Okay, Tanisha is not there. Pay attention. Teacher, please write her name. She is not paying attention over there in the class.
Yes,
Then Arohi Chindarkar.
Yes, teacher.
Read better second one question. Fill in the blanks. Heavenly body, पढ़ो बेटा.
Heavenly bodies that revolve around planets are called
Yes.
twinkle.
No, beta. It's wrong answer. You can mute yourself. Who knows the answer? Prathamesh Shinde knows the answer. Prathamesh Shinde, I want the answer from you. Come on, give me the answer, beta Prathamesh. Okay, Prathamesh is not there. He is also not paying attention over there. Vedant More. Give me the answer, Vedant More. Okay, Arnav Ghanade. Come on, give me the answer, Arnav. Arnav Ghanade. Okay, Prathamesh is here. Please, teacher, unmute me. Prathamesh is saying me like this. Okay, Prathamesh, give me the answer. Come on, give me the answer, Prathamesh. Who knows the answer? Okay, Avnish, give me the answer. Avnish, give me the answer, beta. All are saying me, unmute me, and not giving the answer. Why so? Come on, Adarsh. Okay, say.
Heavenly bodies that revolve around planets are called moon.
No. Who knows the correct answer? Who correct answer? Teacher, please lower down the hand of other children.
Yes.
While some are tiny and faint, if we look at them carefully, we find the many of them twinkle. But some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc., are all known as heavenly bodies.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
You
you,
can mute
teacher.
yourself.
Thank you,
Next
teacher.
one is, let me see who is the next one. Shaurya. Then our teacher, please unmute Shaurya. Then our Shaurya. Having textbook na beta? Very
Shaurya,
good.
please.
Read बेटा, उसके बाद पढ़ो, चलो जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो. ये voice is not coming, Shaurya. आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. No. आपने अनम्यूट करो बेटा, खुद को अनम्यूट करो. अनम्यूट करो खुद को. स्पीकर पे जाके आपका ये करो, बटन दबाओ उधर स्पीकर पर, क्योंकि आप म्यूट हो बेटा. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ शौर्य.
Shaurya, you can unmute yourself.
आपके साइड अनम्यूट करो खुद को. नीचे बटन दिए गए हुए देखो, कैमरा, उसके पहले वाला बटन, कैमरा के पहले वाला बटन बेटा. मिला आपको? हाँ, अभी पढ़ो.
Some stars are made well, some are tiny and fat. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparative.
You can read the spelling also, but if you don't know the word, you can read the spelling.
Comparatively close to the earth, so we can see the round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planet, etc., are all kind us heavenly bodies.
Okay, thank you. You can mute yourself.
Thank you.
Please. Let me see. Pradyumna Thenge. Teacher, please unmute Pradyumna. हेवनली बॉडीज के आगे पढ़ना है. प्रद्युम्न पढ़ो बेटा, चलो.
On the board side is observe the sky on 2 clear nights, keeping a gap about a week between them. Base your observation on following points: the brightness of the heavenly bodies, the weather rating twinkles, their color and size, changes in their position. Both nights draw the picture and illuminate the portion of the moon and note how changes from the day to day. Stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. It is a bright light.
Thank you, Pradyumna. Very good child. The children
Thank you,
are
teacher.
so very nice. I'm very proud of you. Really, means इतने लॉकडाउन में भी आप लोग पढ़ पाते हो. Very nice. Your reading is very nice, everyone. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
For me, children,